Loves, how are you guys? We're here at La Union. Wait lang, I didn't put the fucking caption on. Oh my god. Hello. Gaguan lang yan. Kaya nakaganito ako eh. How are you guys? Din kasubong, I'm in La Union. At saka ng view, wait lang. Masabog yung view kasi in front of me. So, yes. Hold the fuck. Alam niyo ginagawa kong tripod is the tissue comparator. Because like, what am I supposed to do? Now, I am at, I don't even know where I'm at. Nakita ko lang ang cute ng ng place. So I was like, you know what, this is the tea. So cute siya. Oh my god, ang lala ng waves. I thought kalmado dito, hindi pala. Oh my gosh, what the heck. Nakaka-na-miss naman ang wave. Naman mag-LU. Right. What if punta ka na? Uwi na kami bukas though. So, kahit wala akong tulog, slay. Fat wave, yes. Fat wave. I'm at fat wave. Ang ganda ng kita rin. Nakita ko lang na parang ang cute ng Kungkuruhay. So I was like, dito na lang. Hindi na para magpalayo-layo. Hindi ko alam asan si Mex. Is she on live? Lumabas siya for coffee. Ako, wala lang. Lumabas lang. For the vibe. My chikinini. It's not a chikinini. From outfit ko yan. The dedication to drag. I am still with Mex, but I don't know asan si Mex. Nag-coffee siya earlier than us kasi tulog pa si Bakla. LU Kapiyas, I'm in LU. As a fat wave, a kid. Are you guys in LU ba? What happened sa Bruce? Sa costume ko, sa airplane na costume. Hindi para chikinini, wow. Kulang lamok this season. Charis. Maulan sa LU. Right now, hindi. Cause like, pero nag-weather forecast ko, parang cloudy daw today. So, just the perfect weather for the beach. Hindi ko kasi bet na like, super sunny sa beach. Like, yun. Gusto ko cloudy kasi parang wow. Parang hindi na ako masyado mag-sunblock. Wow. Tama, mali. Kaya nga, hindi talaga para sa akin yung mga airplane, no? That only explains. Hindi para sa akin yung mga pilot. Kemi. I love the glasses. Thank you. This is my favorite. Pag nawala to, bakla, nawala na talaga. Mawawala ako sa mundo. Do you know how to know? Nakita ko lang sa kanila ni Zimba and sa parang I don't know. That's that. Shout out sa Yogis from I don't know. I'm just stirring it. Kimi. Ang cute ng waves, pero parang nakakapagod siya. Just I depend know asan si Mix. Where did you buy your pants, Miss Yudi? Which pants? Yung sinusuot ko now. Alam nyo na Chinese designer. Nakita ko lang siya while I was scrolling sa Facebook. And check out of that, of course. maano uunahin ko, aral ko or ikaw? Bakit ka pa mag-aaral? Are you like BOBO? Body snatch. Thank you. Wala pang kain yan. Kakain na. Kakain na, kakaiba. Po sa Calmeow. Hi, Kapiti. Hello. Namiss ko na mag-PT sa totoong buhay lang. But not the pay though. Walang pera yung mga PT sa ano. Sa fella fan. Hello. Kakagising ko lang, awa na lang please. Good luck po sa may mga school stuff. Ano ba? Sana hindi kayo bagsak. Tama, mali. Kasama mo pa ba si Mix? Yes, umalis siya earlier than me. Kasi tulog pa ako. Wow. Nag-coffee siya somewhere. Pero dito ako sa Fatway. If you're around, come and get it. Hello. Tips mag-review sa math. Kumuha ka ng tutor. May tutor kasi ako sa math since elementary. So, kaya top of the class si bakla sa math. Kahit hindi naman talaga sa math. Literally top 2 ata ako sa math nung high school ba yun.
Oo, ayun si Victor.
Andito na si Mick, andito na si Mick. Yes, andito na siya. Pero kumuha ka ng tutor pag math, wag ako. Don't fuck with me. Ayan na siya. Ayan na siya. Ayan na siya sa far away. Ang ganda dito.
Pag ako nagbabasa.
Saan ka galing, bakla?
I went to El Union.
Sa?
El Union.
What the fuck is that?
There. Sa may katabi ng tavern.
Yes. Ang ganda ng beach. What if?
On this area, no?
Parang bet ko malunod. Check.
Why no?
Pero parang wild na wave girl.
Girl, right?
Gusto ko ma-experience.
Gusto ko lang like dyan sa sa shoreline.
Pag kinuha ka na waves, I'm getting on a bus.
Bakla may bata nga eh. Sabi ko, hala, pasabog ka. Tapos may mag-surfing class. Rave.
I don't have that.
Clearly, no one watched. Ano ba yung movie na parang
But
surf
honestly,
surf
like,
siya?
It looks like a great time to surf. Cannot be bothered.
Actually, pag wala lang tayo trabaho bukas, mag-surf ako. Pero wow, sakit katawan bukas.
Sa Sunday pa naman, girl, you have 2 days to recover.
Kasi may ginag-gaslight ako. Parang tama ka dyan.
Is it not Friday today?
Ala, alala.
It's Friday today.
So, meron pa tayong a day.
Yeah.
One day. Yes. Parang nakasunblock ba ako? Ay, nakalimutan ko. Diyan ka pala kayo. Oh my gosh, how are you guys?
I love how you literally forgot that you're alive.
Andito si Mexi. Sabi nila saan ka daw? Or kasama pa tayo?
No. I'm okay there.
Ayan, buo na siya.
Pretty
Buo na
and
siya.
mysterious and reading a book.
Buo na siya. Nag-fantasy siya. Ano siya, main character siya today. Nagbasa-basa by the beach. Oh my God, na-miss ko mag-fantasy na gano'n. Oh my God. I miss being depressed. Kimmy. Oh my God, I used to do a lot of, self-dates nung depression era ko for like 3 years.
Girl, honestly, I was listening to Endless Summer Vacation kanina, and it brought me back to like January 2023 when I was like peak depression and went here alone. And I was like, 5.
Oh my God, she said nostalgia.
Honestly, it's like, ooh,
She said past nostalgia by
correct.
by Dua Lipa. May nag-order kami. Are you
What
gonna
is it?
eat?
No, I just ate. Like,
What did you
girl,
eat?
I had the fattest grilled cheese ever.
Where?
So good. Sa El Union, like, thick, as in, like,
Ang layo naman ng lilakad mo, wow.
but it's by the beach lang naman. Although there was a part na parang like, oh, am I gonna slip on the rocks and
Ay,
die?
totoo ba? Oh my
Oo.
God, parang gusto ko yun. Charit.
Sa banda doon, parang there's like a division of like coral rocks. Tapos parang, oh,
Wala bang
what if I
diving?
slip and die? Charis.
Eddie, thank you, Beyonce. Wala bang scuba dito. Meron ba scuba dito? Ano ba?
Girl, no. Girl, do you think you can dive with all that wave happening?
Okay, maybe die lang. Wala na yung VE. Jet ski, wow, riskado talaga mag-jet ski at this wave. Oh my God. Anong ginagawa sa LU aside from Charis?
Aside from...
Wala. May mga bata. Mag-aral kayo, yes. I love my impact kasi nag-aaral ng mga ayos yung mga tao. Dapat may comprehension kayo. Sa totoo lang, basahin nyo maayos yung question before fucking answering it. Kasi nung nasa school ako, ang dami talagang both. Honestly, oh my God.
I wanna go back and get changed because this is the morning vibe.
Taina mo naman. Change
What?
outfit.
Girl,
Okay, change outfit
this
siya.
is our morning vibe. Like cute lang for the morning, coffee, grilled cheese for breakfast, reading a book. It's no longer the vibe. Pa-afternoon na tayo. So we have to change the vibe.
Tangina mo. Wow, tapos ako hanggang gabi na to. This is the beach look, the morning look, the afternoon look, the lagkit look. Ano pa ba? Ito na siya today. Kaya nag-scarf kasi we can do anything we want with it.
Can I wear the key?
Oh dear.
Did we even?
Did I even? I didn't.
Girly
Oh
pop.
fuck, I didn't laugh.
Good ba lang?
Girly pop.
So hindi kami nakatira dito here ha? Actually, lang. Kala mo naman valuable doon. So awa na lang. Lagi mo nagbabasa. Ingat. Wow, kala mo naman ang layo. Hello. Stream Drip by Baby Monster Me. Oh shit. When ka mabalik Bacolod? When you book me? With the right price. Ay, meron pala dito. Ang daming rabbit hole dito. Oo, naka-Sailor Moon si Mix today. Thank you po. Hello, ano na? Kain lang kami. Yes. Tapos nag-charge ako kasi parang awa na lang. Wala akong maayos na charge since kahapon. Ano na ba yung boses ko? Diyos ko, ano naman pinagagawa ko? Ayaw mo na mag-aral. Why? Okay lang if madami ka pera, go. Ma-Gcash mo. Sige, ilalagay ko na nga dito. Kasi parang naubos yung Gcash ko. Today, kasi nagbayad ako ng Lala mo. Go. Ayan na po. It's end, I guess. Yeah. Medley ni Mix. Wala kasi kaming time to meet. Ngayon lang talaga. So, parang... I don't know. Maybe next time. I mean, we wanted to collab perform din. Si Zimba is always saying na parang mag-collab kami performance. Pero sabi ko, yung hindi dancey bakla ha, hindi tayo bayad 60k dito. Tama, mali. Pag 60k, alam yun, sumasayaw si Yuli sa stage. Charis. With choreography. Where is Comic Ed? 16 to 17. Andito yung friend ko, so we'll see. We'll see. He's gonna be here. Oh my God. Hindi na po na. Wala lang. Yung in-order namin is sinigang na baboy. Tapos chicken satay. And samosa. Bakit ang samosa ako saan? By the beach. Thank you, kuya. Anyways, yun na yun. Laps na toes. Did you all eat? Ang bilis ng pera ko mauubos dito. Diyos ko, awa na lang.
Wow.
With that being said, do you all wanna see me eat or off mo na ba yung live? 1 if stay, 2 if off cam. Sorry. Ano ba to yung kineso ni... Thank you po. Lunchtime naman. Bakit hindi kayo kumakain? Wow.
They're on a diet. Don't force them to eat.
Diet. Ito binabasa ni Mix. Meron sa Sasha book, diba? She's doing her research again. God. Mix Chanel really thinks everything. Don't believe her. That's how she has fun. Sabi ko, if you think Mix is not having fun, she is. It's just how she has fun. Hindi siya masasayan sa gawa niya if hindi niya na thoroughly think about yung stuff. I feel like that's how she functions.
She's a thinker.
Kasi parang bakla, gets naman, if pangit yung tapos hindi mo, parang hindi siya conceptualize like that. Parang wala kang energy for that. Dog. There are dogs.
It's risky na hindi ka mag-swim ngayon.
Madedeport na ako dahil kay Trump. Yes, sa lahat ng bumoto kay Trump, tang ina mo, tang ina nyo.
Fuck Donald Trump.
So, hindi tayo mag-US hindi tayo makapag-US. So, we're gonna stick to Australia and we're gonna be with a fucking kangaroo.
We're gonna be part of China too.
Ito ba? Kumain na tayo na?
Do y'all wanna stay or later na ako mag-live?
How we make them feel at the same time.
Patay tayo. Nako, alam mo sa taas, they have yung mga warrior. Ano ang nakita ko sa Facebook? Uy, website ba? Nandito, sabi ko. Nakasat, no?
What is happening here? Should I turn my fans off?
Yeah, tomorrow.
Thank you po. Magla-laps lang, wait. Do y'all wanna stay or
Kaya ginawa ko Friday.
off ko ba muna? I think I should turn this off muna so I can just connect with Laon. You know, I'll be back when I'm done eating. Tapos nandun ako nagpa-fantasy sa beach. I feel like next live nandun ako sa beach. Birthday mo today? Tang-ina mo, Jen. Ano na? Happy birthday, my love. Sana masarap yung ulam niyo dyan sa far away. Si Mix ba nagluto ng sinigang mo? Oo, kaya ang asim. Kimi.
Basta alam mo yung going back, ha?
Why do people vote for Trump? Meron akong friend. Nakakainis. Siya lang talaga yung BBM supporter sa group. Tapos siya lang yung Trump supporter.
Friend?
He's my friend.
Ay, wait. That's someone else.
Happy hour.
A fucking choice, babe. Pogi mo pa naman for what? Hindi yan chikinini. Sa costume yan. I'll be right back, guys. Bye. Andun ako sa beach next kasi nag-charge na ako dito. Sabi ko magla-live na lang para wow. Wala lang, para vibe. I'll see you guys in a bit. I think friends over. Tama. Parang Dean's Lister for what? Eh, hindi lahat ng Dean's Lister, matalino. Daming bobo doon sa totoong buhay. Put them in a fucking working place. They can function. Puro lahat by the book, bitch. Use your motherfucking brain. Anyways, that's the tip for the day. Bye.